Hi guys! So you must be seeing that I'm so excited because the videos are just getting viral and everybody is just subscribing. And of course you must be thinking that I'm getting so much money and of course I'm not getting anything. That's why I'm repeating the shirt. But I'm before you guys ask me why am I repeating the shirt, because it's my favorite shirt. I'm very obsessed with this, and yellow is definitely my favorite color, and this was gifted to me by my sister, so it's very special to me and it can be special to you guys as well. So yeah, so my third video is gonna be about types of sexuality. First of all, I wanted to not ask, of course, because I can't ask you. I can ask you, but then I don't want to ask you. It's all about telling this time. You can definitely leave your comments down in the comment section. But I believe there are various kinds of sexuality. The most common type is heterosexuality. We always believe that a man is supposed to be married to a woman. A man has to fall in love with a woman. And before even I start the whole concept of sexuality, let me talk about the attraction. The attraction in the whole heterosexual community is, or any other community, is divided into two bases. One is romantic attraction and sexual attraction. You must remember this, that the attraction, there is initial romantic attraction, and of course after you're romantically attracted, you know the person well, you tend to go like sexually attracted towards that person. But there are definitely people who are directly attracted sexually towards people, right? So always remember that attraction are of two types. And so as I was discussing about heterosexuality, the word hetero means opposite. So whatever your gender is, like if you're a man and if you're a heterosexual man, you are supposed to get attracted towards your opposite gender, like which is a woman. And if you're a woman, like a heterosexual woman, your opposite gender is a man. So being a woman, you're attracted towards your opposite gender, that is a man, if you are heterosexual woman or a heterosexual man. Then whenever I want to talk about sexuality, I have to include the word LGBTQA+. So this helps me to sort out the whole concept of sexuality. So the word L in LGBTQA+ indicates lesbian. So a man cannot be a lesbian. This is very funny. It's not appropriate by English. Like if you go with the British English, I believe. So any woman can be only woman can be lesbian, for that matter. Lesbian and gays, they both of them means the same thing. These both are from the same common sexuality, that is homosexuality. So if a girl is, or a woman is homosexual, she's called lesbian, whereas a man, if he's homosexual, then he's called a gay. Though certain women also call themselves as gay if they are homosexual. So the word homosexual comes from the word homo. Homo means same, like whatever your gender is. If you're a man, if you're a homosexual man, then you're supposed to get attracted towards your own gender, which is a man. So the attraction can be both romantic and sexual. So if you're a woman, you are romantically and sexually attracted towards your own gender, that is a woman. So we should just break the notion that a man is supposed to marry a woman. A man is supposed to just get attracted towards a woman. A man can get attracted towards another man. A girl can get attracted towards another woman. It's not necessary for a man to always have a girlfriend. You can always have a boyfriend. And being a girl, you should not assume that you should always have a boyfriend. A girl can also have a girlfriend. She can be romantically and sexually attracted towards a woman. So LG is clear now. B is the word for bisexual. So there, bi word means two. So if you are a man, that means you'll be attracted to both the gender. One is your opposite gender and the gender which is the same of yours. So you'll be attracted, being a bisexual man, you are attracted towards your own gender, which is a man, and then you're also attracted romantically and sexually to your opposite gender. And same goes for women. If a woman is a bisexual woman, she'll be attracted towards her own gender and a gender opposite to hers, of a man. Then LGBT, T is for trans. And so there's another sexuality which is not so famous. It's called pansexuality. So there are very few people out there who are pansexual, like a pancake. So pansexuality, people are probably attracted to all the genders irrespective of their own gender. So they are, whether it's a man or it's a woman or it's a trans, so they are attracted towards all the genders. Then there's a word called A in the LGBTQA+, which represents asexuality. These people are the ones who are not sexually attracted towards anybody for that matter. That's how the whole concept of clearing romantically attracted and sexually attracted comes into play. So they are probably romantically attracted towards people, but they are not sexually attracted towards anyone. So I hope this video clears the whole concept.